upbeat music playing, cut to colorful backdrop with the Buy Smart logo. Hey there, Buy Smart fam! Welcome back to your favorite channel where we help you make the smartest purchasing decisions without losing your sanity or your wallet. Today, we're diving into a battle of the desktop decibels, the clash of the computer speakers. On my left, we have the VOTNTUT Computer Speakers, and on my right, the LENRUE G11 Computer Speakers. Camera zooms in on both speakers. Will the VOTNTUT's bass and space-saving design knock your socks off? Or will the LENRUE's immersive sound and flashy lights steal the show? Let's find out. First up, let's talk sound quality. The VOTNTUT boasts upgraded 6W technology and 2 bass diaphragms, delivering good sound quality, decent bass, and a stereo effect. Reviewers appreciate its compact design and minimal cables, making it suitable for casual use, like watching movies or listening to music. However, some mention it may lack the power for high-volume music. On the other hand, the LENRUE G11 features 4 large amplifier horns, providing clear sound with good bass. It's praised for its great sound quality for the price, though some users find it not very loud. The RGB rainbow feature adds to its appeal. But there's a mention of slight rattling at full volume with heavy bass. Overall, both have their strengths and weaknesses when it comes to sound quality. Moving on to design, the VOTNTUT is all about saving desk space with a low-profile design and a convenient volume knob on top. Reviewers love its sleek and discreet appearance, perfect for a home office setup. Meanwhile, the LENRUE G11 also fits well under a monitor and is lightweight, making it easy to install. Reviewers appreciate the adjustable lights, although some feel it lacks in RGB color options. The LENRUE's design is described as sleek and user-friendly, while the VOTNTUT is noted for its compactness. Both speakers offer unique designs that cater to different preferences. Now, let's see who's easier to use. The VOTNTUT is plug-and-play, requiring no drivers or software, making it a hassle-free option. Reviewers commend its ease of use, although some mention quirks like a short cable length. The LENRUE G11 also offers a plug-and-play experience and includes a Type-C adapter, catering to Mac users. It powers on and off with the monitor, and reviewers find it simple to install. Both speakers provide a user-friendly experience, but the LENRUE edges out slightly with its additional adapter for modern devices. All right, let's talk about the elephant in the room: the price. The VOTNTUT comes in at a sweet $27, making it a budget-friendly option for those seeking quality sound without breaking the bank. Reviewers find it affordable and worth the price for casual use. Meanwhile, the LENRUE is priced at $39, which some feel is a bit steep compared to the VOTNTUT. While it offers cool lighting features and decent sound quality, some reviewers question if it's worth the extra cost. Ultimately, it's about what features you value more. In summary, both the VOTNTUT and LENRUE G11 speakers have their own unique offerings that cater to different needs. The VOTNTUT is praised for its compact design and overall value for casual listening, while the LENRUE G11 stands out with its dynamic sound and lighting features, although it comes at a higher price. Ultimately, it depends on what you're looking for in computer speakers. So there you have it, folks. In the battle of VOTNTUT versus LENRUE, it all boils down to what you value more. Are you looking for budget-friendly, compact sound with the VOTNTUT? Or are you ready to light up your life and pay a little extra for the LENRUE's immersive experience? Pointing to both speakers, whichever you choose, just remember, buy smart. And don't let your speakers sound like a tin can. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss our next epic showdown. Until next time, keep your wallets happy and your sound loud. Outro music fades in, with end screen suggestions for other videos. Screen fades to black.